What do you think, Alex?
That was crazy.
One of the craziest flights ever?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Wow. Oh, she's heavy. Oh, she's so heavy. That wasn't even a sprinkle, that was raining. What do you think, Pavel? Is that pretty crazy?
Well.
Oh yeah.
Well, guys, that is what I don't know, 50 kilometers maybe in the rain looks like. I once wondered whether or not the electronics in these Nirvana paramotors would be okay in the rain. Apparently, it's they're fine.
Definitely don't do that every day.
Wow. That was awesome. Where are we now?
This is PPG, our production of the skeleton and the painting propellers.
Cool.
And the assembling of the gyro.
Well, there's some nice cars here. Ferrari. It's like a Ford something other, Fiesta or something front clip, and there's a Ferrari front clip. That's awesome. You know, just chilling, just a Ferrari front clip. This place is crazy. This whole adventure has been crazy. I don't know, man. That flight was. I'll remember that one for a while. Yeah.
I don't know. I'll forget that.
That's crazy. Look at this. What is this thing? This looks like it's fully custom. Almost like a Koenigsegg meets a Lamborghini meets, I don't know what this is. I'm making a fool of myself.
Kind of looks like an Enzo.
It's not.
It's not.
Let me use. That is a big CNC machine. Holy crap. That's awesome. Making a lot of bathtubs, such things like that. Very cool. Alright guys, so we just finished having some lunch, or breakfast I guess, after that crazy rainy flight, that was pretty awesome, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Alex made it, by the way, from Colorado.
Absolutely.
Nice to see you, welcome. And so we're now headed to see a friend who is a rally car racer. Yeah. And this is in preparation for the races Friday and Saturday, right?
Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Cool. So we're gonna go check out some rally car stuff, and I'm gonna beg for a ride. He says it's not gonna happen, but I'm gonna beg. We'll see. All right, here we go.
Task, you have to be now all around this town in the different villages and hillland and everything. So they were training last 2-3 days. Now those race loops are closed, and they're preparing cars. There will be shakedown on Friday morning, and Friday evening it starts in the city in Zlín, and it starts to be like a first task in between buildings and in streets of Zlín in night. It will be everything with lights, and it's interesting.
Preparing for this ready.
I'll take two.
I'll take two!
You gotta have two, because then you can race.
This is him.
They say that this right here is the fastest rally car right now in Europe. And we get to see it as they're setting up. It's just crazy. It's a Skoda. Of course, all-wheel drive. Really, really fast. I'm excited to see this thing race with Vedošek driving. Yeah, we'll see him tomorrow in practice. This is crazy. I mean, this is the kind of thing that without good friends you never see. This is just a trip, man. I love it. The shop is amazing too. They've got their support team, and we saw all the trophies coming in. It's just awesome. Really, really cool. Really.
Oh yeah.
You ready for one?
Drive that shit tomorrow.
You gonna drive it? Awesome.
No, it was Dan.
So it's raining pretty hard, and we're just laughing because, what, 2 hours ago, we were flying in this much rain, maybe 2 miles from here. This is just such a trip to come back down below where we just flew over. and see what the conditions are actually like. I mean, there's puddles everywhere. My feet are soaked from walking through the grass right now. I mean, look at this. And somehow we ended up flying in that. What a hoot. Here we go. Back to the factory, I think, now. So where are we going now?
To the workshop where there are motorbike jackets and suits made.
Like these?
And they making for us like on our order and with our design these flying overalls and personal measurements.
Cool. So these are really comfortable. They're really nice. They're expensive. And I'm not giving them back because I like them too much. So we'll go to that workshop next. Cool.
They made it
2 kilometers.
2 kilometers.
Look at the building.
Very eclectic.
Get yourself up on
Some Nirvana leathers. These are really nice.
Oh, that's the cover.
I don't know if this is showing up, but it looks like something out of Tron. That's so cool. This is pretty cool.